What's up, guys? Oregon Urbex here, and today we're gonna explore my grandparents' property. It goes way back in the woods. Got my flashlight just in case, because it's bright outside, but the woods are pretty dense, so I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna explore the property. It's a beautiful, freezing cold day in Oregon, and in Dallas, Oregon. And yeah, we're just gonna see if we can find some animals. Something. There's the entrance of the woods. We have a old fence blocking it off, so I probably can't get in the woods yet. But maybe later this summer, next summer, I'll be able to go into the woods further and explore, and maybe even make a dirt bike track. I have no idea what that noise is in the woods right now. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Hold on, I'll walk up to it. I just gonna stop. Make a compressor. There's a lot of poison oak. Ooh. See that right there is poison oak. Yeah, there is path. So many animals. Something about this woods. It always feels like there's something that ducks behind a tree or something. Is anyone there? Tell me if you guys see anything. Well, let me shine the light. Yeah. Poison oak. It's touching my dang. Oh no. Ah. Blackberry. Sorry guys, this is shaky. Okay, but I'm gonna get past this thing. So, there we go. Ah, that's all poison oak. You guys hear that down there? There's like a something like that. Sound like a woman. I don't have Photoshop. I don't know how to insert videos. So like it came from right there. See, what's that noise? There's someone talking. Shine my flashlight in the woods. See, what's that noise? So what is that? On enhance audio. You guys hear that? I don't know, dude. Just stopped. There it goes again. No one lives here, guys. That down for like a couple anchors. Is there a lantern? We have 10 acres of the forest. What is that? Hear that? I don't know. I'll come back. We stay in the night again. How about this? I'll come back at dusk with the flashlight. You guys hear that? Sounds like a car. But you would hear it pass.